In this modern world, with growing traffic and population, navigation through the traffic is just impossible. If 1 hour speeds, accident brings tears, but safety brings cheers. Salutations to the members of the jury. I am the Mishaps, and these two are my friends Manish and Tanmay Shetty K from 8th Standard B section Vijay Vittala Vidyashala Mysore. Our team will present you certain parameters that can be used to make this world Mishaps-free navigation. This project will be explained with a model in two phases. They are Mishaps-free navigation on road and water and introducing the new terms toll gates and wicket gates. Now, let me explain you about accidents happening on water bodies. Sea was created when a huge ship called the RMS Titanic sank in the North Atlantic Ocean on April 15, 1912, which led to an incredible disaster. So, in order to create an awareness about sinking of ships, me and my team have come up with an innovative idea to prevent accidents. Now let me demonstrate you how our model will work. This is our ship and these are the icebergs. And when a ship is moving towards the iceberg, the ultrasonic sensors senses the presence of the iceberg and it sends the message to the Arduino to give an output. And in the form of the output, the LED and the buzzer will both glow and buzz. The buzzing of the buzzer and the glowing of the LED will be seen by the crew as well as the captain, and the captain tried to deviate the ship away from the iceberg to prevent the disaster. By this, we can prevent further accidents happening on water bodies. Now, my friend Manish will continue.
Thank you, David. Accident. The term accident is an unfortunate incident that happens unexpectedly, usually leading to damage or injury and may even cause death. The majority of the accidents occur in the curved highways. Due to the curvature of the road, one cannot see the another vehicle approaching. There will be no way for the drivers to know that there is a vehicle on the another side of the road. In this regard, we are proposing a solution based on a model of preventing road accidents on mountainous region. Ultrasonic sensors, Arduino, buzzers, LEDs and more are used. Ultrasonic sensors detect the vehicle as it passes by the road and sends the message to the Arduino. In the form of output, LEDs and buzzers are used to alert the drivers that there is a vehicle on the either end of the road. By using this, we can prevent the road accidents on hilly or mountainous region. Now, my friend Tanmay will continue.
Thank you, Manish. Some structures like cow gates and wicket gates are amazing. Though the structure is simple, but lives of animals can be protected. Cattle gates or cattle guards are structures placed over a depression in the ground to prevent livestock from entering into public places. Cattle gates are typically placed between private and public lands. Cattle guards is safe for most people and human beings and animals. For people, there is to walk over with patience and even vehicles can drive over them easily. If the animal attempts to cross the cattle guards, its hooves goes below and now animal is up to its chest. By this way, we can avoid cattle entering into hospitals and other public places like markets. It can exclude deer and elks on road. Let me also introduce you the new term wicket gates. A wicket gate or simply a wicket is a pedestrian door installed on roads. Wicket gates are installed in many areas like markets, hospitals, schools and other areas. As the wicket gate is in one person wide, it allows only one person to enter at a time. Now my friend Daivik will explain about the conclusion and of the model.
Thank you, Tanmay. Our innovation behind this project is to make this earth Mishaps-free navigation and to protect the lives of the livestock. I want to conclude that we want our Mother Earth to be Mishaps-free navigation and to protect the lives of the people and other animals. Thank you. Jai Hind.